Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Today we will discuss the copy command in basic Linux commands. This is the standard syntax for the copy command. First of all, we have the keyword cp for the copy command, then options. There are multiple options, we will not indulge into those options. Then we have the source file, and then we have the destination directory. So let's try it. First of all, I want to show you that I have the documents directory where there is no file or folder in here. I will use this as my destination, and in downloads here I have a file animals.txt. I want to move this file, copy this file from the downloads folder or directory to the documents directory. So let's proceed. First of all, I have to change the directory. Okay, this is my current working directory. I can check roots documents. So now, using the cp command, cp, first of all I have to mention the source file, root downloads, and then animals.txt. and since my current working directory is documents, so I can simply type dot as a second argument, which is my destination. After execution, as there is no display, this means that the command is executed successfully. If I want to check, I can show you that the animals.txt file is there in the documents. So that's it. That's all for the cp command. And furthermore, there is also another very basic command which can be used for copying data, like a block of zeros or block of ones, or if you want to completely move the raw data, binary data, from one drive to another drive, then we have a command known as dd. The basic syntax for dd is dd options and operands. So I will not copy the data from one drive or another drive, since that might include a lot of risks which I am avoiding at this time. I will only show you how the dd command is used to write zeros to a file. So if I want to copy a block of zeros of 1 MB data to a file, then I have to write dd input file. IF means input file. Dev 0 to output file, which is I want to store it in temp swap ex. The block size is 1 MB and count is equal to 1. Only 1 MB of one block I am trying to transfer. So 1 MB data is stored in the desired file. Now if I want to check whether it is written here or not, cd root temp. Okay, so here I can see that the file is written here, and if I want to check the details, sorry, so it has the read and write attributes for the current root user, and the length of the file is 1 MB. So that's it. Thank you very much.